All right, welcome back everyone to another edition of Talk 122 with your Superintendent, Dr. Terrell Yarbrough. With me today, on my left, I have Mr. Sterling here, Board President. And then on my right, I have Vice President here, Mr. Kurt Thompson, that are going to help me with this going into the summer type edition of Talk 122. So before we get to some questions and things like that, I want to explain this a little bit. Last year, what we did was we had Dairy House, and we did ice cream to kind of get everyone prepared for the summer. Today, we're going to do wings, and we're going to do from mild to hot to see if we can handle this. And so they both have graciously agreed to be a part of this and help me with this and kind of kicking off the summer, because as you know, summer starts, barbecue season and all of that. So we're gonna try to kind of handle that. So before we do that, I'm gonna ask them a few questions here and kind of let you know, get to know our board president and vice president just a little bit about this year and their expectations for the future. And so we'll start with Mr. Sterling. So can you tell the audience, first introduce yourself, all that good stuff, but kind of tell the audience just, this year, what you're most proud of as far as, what we've accomplished this year, and two, what you're looking for the future.
Oh yeah, my name's Michael Sterling, board president. This year was a good one. We managed to get a lot of things done. This year we were able to move the sixth grade is going to be transitioning up to the middle school.
Correct.
So that is something that is going to greatly align us with other schools in the nation, and even how testing's done. And give a lot of our students the capabilities and experiences that they weren't normally going to be able to have in the first through six.
Okay. Yeah. No.
With that, getting the middle school aligned with the high school with grades, that was awesome. And I think just building on the progress of expanding opportunities for our students going forward. So just keeping the ball rolling in the right direction.
All right. Thank you. Mr. Thompson.
Yeah, Kurt Thompson. I am the vice president of the school board. And with that being said, I get to go after Mike, so there'll be some mimicking of that as well. Exactly. I think our biggest accomplishment was getting everything set and moved over for getting the sixth grade aligned, doing the big move that's directly over there. Major progress on the CTE. We were able to finally start to see the building go up, tour that, not just virtually, which was very exciting to see all the work that has gone into that. And more to come. I'm excited for this summer to see not just the changes on the inside of the middle school, but we all know that school has needed a little bit of love. So to start to see those changes, they're going to be the outside as well. So
Absolutely.
Be exciting is when those kids come in and they get to see some of the changes as well. And the bathrooms. We cannot address the upgrades for that middle school, and including those bathrooms.
Yeah, no, absolutely. And obviously, we thank the board for supporting us in all of that, and we thank you too for being here. So one additional question before we jump into this, because I know the audience really is looking at, okay, how are we going to react to all of this? So when you think about going into next year, so you mentioned obviously what we're proud of with the sixth grade transition and our grading system and being more aligned and things of that nature. So going into next year, just name one thing that you're really looking forward to seeing, how it looks as we go into August.
Go ahead, buddy.
All right.
I'll let you go first this time.
Perfect. I mean, it should be the same thing, right? Again, that's CTE.
Okay.
Again, we've got all the prep work. We're going to have the fun of going through with the middle school, but all the years of work, the building, and finally opening the doors on the CTE and expanding those opportunities to our students.
Okay. Thank you.
Now, I'm going to piggyback on that and say, well, we're going to have a clinic. That's
Yep.
unheard of for us. We're going to have the new programs coming online, the expansion of those programs filtering down into the middle school, having those kids come out and be able to see, not just at the high school, but in the middle school and maybe even the elementaries, on what they can do and what we're offering in the future. So we can start aligning that all the way down. So just to get those kids invigorated and just thinking about all the new stuff that they're going to be able to do.
Absolutely.
And then tying those programs into what we can do with the community. I mean, we've kicked around Habitat for Humanity or doing all that.
Yep.
That's building a house from the ground up. I mean, that is construction, that is electrical, that's all those other things that we're working with the trades that are gonna be able to, our area needs and our students need. So
Yep.
it's just trying to align whatever we can with your help.
Yep. Oh, I appreciate that. Well, you heard it here first, so we got a lot of obviously things that we're proud of, but two, we have some work to do, as well, and we're looking to always grow. So that's my plug as well. Is we sent out a survey last week for families to fill out to give us feedback on how well we're doing and things that we can improve on. So if you can take that survey, 10 minutes tops. Think a little bit longer than that if you're really thinking about it, but about 10 minutes. If you can take that, because we want to learn, some things, areas where we need to get better, but also to some things that you all are excited about. So without further ado, because my eyes are already starting to water from this in front of me, we're going to perform this challenge. We're going to start with Mr. Sterling. He's going to eat his wings and go from that direction. We're going to see that. I'm going to do mine, and Kurt's going to have his as well.
So it's going to be mild, medium, a little bit hotter, and then when it gets to the end, that's a scorpion
Well,
pepper.
I'm gonna say let's play to the what do we had? Scorpion peppers on the end, correct? What was right before that? Was there Carolina Reaper?
That was Carolina Reaper, yeah. That
Okay,
was.
okay,
So it's, and again, we just want to let everybody know. Terrell, what's your heat level? What?
It's about honey barbecue.
Honey barbecue.
Okay, so
Okay.
please watch, enjoy.
Yeah.
You can feel free to ask questions while you're while you're eating some of this stuff.
Otherwise, it's just literally people watching us eat. By the way,
Yeah,
so if we
that's-
don't have
I
questions,
think there should be some
So,
talking.
so I'm gonna dip into the first one too. We can all kind
yeah.
of taste this one here. Okay, that. Why am I already feeling it though? I thought that was the mouth.
That is
That
mild.
is the mild.
So okay, all right.
That literally is
I'm not even like in the middle here yet.
That
So
literally is mustard.
that's mustard.
Yeah.
I'm just joking.
Okay. So I'm gonna go into this the second one here. This is embarrassing already. Hold on. Let's see.
Again, this is why people are watching us eat. It's
Okay. This is something new. Yeah.
The survey less challenging than these wings. I'm
And
just saying.
we do need.
If we can do this,
We do need the surveys.
you can do the survey probably same amount of time.
Okay.
We're on to the second one. Is that what we're doing
Yeah.
here?
What is the second one? That was pretty good.
The second one
that-
is
Is that straight Tabasco?
no. This is the original, just original hot wing sauce.
Okay.
Actually, from that one show that we cannot name.
Okay. I gotta dip into that one.
At least there's no way you could ever figure out what that show would be.
I know. I mean,
Okay.
Yeah. You doing okay?
okay.
I'm going to the third one here.
It's going to get just a little bit hotter, but not much.
Okay. Well, coming off of that first one, I thought that one was. So let's see. It tastes like vinegary. Like, Okay.
That one's real vinegary.
Okay.
Now, Mike, do we have a
I don't even-
pause
is that a
right
word?
about now
I
to
don't
make
even
sure
know if
that
that's a
some of the
word,
stuff
but-
soaks in?
But we'll see.
Terrell seems to be just racing right through this. I'm just
Yeah.
waiting. It gets
Yeah. Let's see. Okay, so the third one, I was good.
Third one?
The
We're
first
still doing
one,
okay?
the first one got me more than number 2 and number 3. I'll just say I don't know why, but
Okay.
so I'm gonna move
we're
to
up
the
to, moving up to
to the-
four
to the
there.
4. I don't want the people to see me eat too long.
All right, so about the right bite here.
Okay.
That one's easy.
Yeah. No, that was fine. I can go for a double dip in that one, so that
Okay.
was fine.
We have the double dip. Okay.
I haven't needed the
You haven't eaten anything yet. That's
lemonade
good.
yet.
I can go back there and whip up something though.
Yeah, round two,
All right,
right?
so let me go into this one.
We're up to 5 already.
I'm at the 5, and I'm still okay. Oh shoot! Okay.
I loaded that one up.
For the record, I did say shoot. Oh man. That one's hot. Which one is this one?
That one is the Carolina Reaper.
Yeah.
It's not as hot as
I was expecting a little bit more.
That's hot though. I had a student that asked me just recently. Then he wanted to do for the summer. Wanted to do this challenge here. So if you're watching this, find me and we can recreate this for you. All right, I'm gonna go to the last one here.
Now, if we're gonna do the last one,
Okay.
and we've got all these wings there, right? Like
Yep.
they're still there. We've got a lot. So let's get a good wing. Maybe like a little drumstick, little built-in handle there,
Okay.
unless you're a flat person. All right.
Okay.
And this pours pretty well. That's what I'm just saying. So
Okay.
it gives a really good opportunity to like just get it all right in there.
Cascade it.
Okay.
Yeah, I mean, just making sure if we're gonna do
all right.
this.
I will say I'm not sure about this right
So-
now, but
Would we lead you wrong?
Yeah.
I'm not saying you would, but to get a laugh out the audience.
So do we have any last I'm trying not to make a mess here, pre-wing words, Terrell, going into a fantastically hot summer here before this hot wing?
Oh, so I will say this. I'm looking forward to, at some point, getting a vacation. So just know that you will be approving that.
I'm going to say that was a very good plug for us approving your
At some point,
vacation.
you will be approving that. It'll be coming to the board level. But in all seriousness, too, to both of you, I'll ask this last question as well. You've answered this before. Let's see if it's changed. Who's your favorite person in the district?
My wife.
Good answer. This puts a lot of pressure.
Right? Would it be funny if it wasn't my wife?
It would be.
Then it
but-
would be my ex-wife.
So I assume you're going to say.
It would be my wife. That would be, if you don't know, Miranda Thompson, kindergarten teacher.
All right. All right. That being said, let's
There we
dive
go.
into this one. Okay. Okay, this is not an act. This is hot.
This is the first one that's got a little bit of,
This got some kick.
how do you do?
Yep. Okay. Yeah, I'm feeling this through the mouth.
That one's gonna be giving you some.
Okay. What? Whose idea was it to dose it or douse it? Oh man. Okay, we should not have done that.
Well, I'm gonna give you props. You made
Yes.
it through all of them, especially with your heat level of being
But
barbecue.
am my lips supposed to be burning right now?
Yes,
Yeah.
it's going to be the. Do you want some ranch?
Yeah. Oh man. Okay. Yeah, that's not. Okay, I do not advise if you have the tolerance like I do of trying. What kind is this?
That is the scorpion pepper, my favorite.
Thank you. Oh my gosh. My lips are still burning. You guys are doing really good with this though.
I got a little bit, I got the single tear going down my cheek over here uncontrollably.
I feels like I ran a marathon right now. So
Yeah.
that one was the one I was saving for last.
Okay, that will not be a double dip to the audience.
I think we've earned. I think if you're at least moving up the ranks now, if it was a solid, what did we say, honey barbecue?
Yeah.
Yep.
I think we're up to where? At least, I think we got you at least halfway. Which ones would you go back to again? Clearly not number 6.
I like the I think the second one the most.
Yeah, that was the original.
Yeah.
And my lips are still burning. Oh, I must have ate too much because you guys are not like feeling this like this.
No.
No, it's definitely there.
It's definitely there.
Okay, this is where, because I'm in charge of this podcast, I'm going to finish this right now because my lips are on fire. Thank you both for being a part of this end of the year, season 3 episode, of the Superintendent podcast. Obviously for me personally, I owe a lot of this, at least getting it started and for it to be continuing for the board support, and then also behind the scenes, the individuals who work behind the scenes to make sure that we're able to keep delivering good content, having guests on, and being able to talk to community leaders as well and students. So I appreciate those behind the scenes as well. They don't like to be named, so I won't name them right now, but they're appreciated. So with that being said, everyone have an outstanding summer break. While I try to find some more water, lemonade things for my lips. I am Harlem. You are Harlem. We are Harlem. See you next year.
Have a good summer.
Have a good one, guys.
Oh, man.